And again, they do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. How do I know? Little birdie told me so. Women, young girls, children, and the homeless. And there's a very good video on YouTube, if you can find it, called Satan's Children, where a young girl did escape from the big Freemason fraternal, Lucifer's Freemason fraternal, satanic cults on the UK's Devil Island. And experts who have listened to her story said that she is telling the truth. Again, human hunting parties, human hunting, feasting, blood drinking, harvesting adrenochrome. And then the victims' remains were dissolved in acid. Castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates. Again, we have had plenty of rain recently. You can Google the rains list. That is disclosed in the rains list. How they wear claws to claw their victims. Human hunting pies. So plenty of high crimes. Jack the Ripper crimes. Certainly not mine. And they certainly will pay to make you disappear. Or box you up, lock you up, throw away the key. But again, that's all to cover up their high crimes. Royal blue murder, frames and fixes switches. Monster lies and bogus diagnosis. And certainly not mine. So sometimes innocent men, do you have to run, fly, go, disappear, follow your golden compass, or you do get boxed up, locked up, or done in, disappeared one way or another. And cruise on my frame fixed tail in Dis Norwich Southwold, North Norfolk coast, Derbyshire and the Lake District, though I did escape. And Prince Harry in the UK at the moment in court, taking on the Daily Mail. That's been going on for a very long time now. And again in Dis Norfolk UK, really is a 22-year catch-22. Complete abuse of power, position, authority and influence in public office. And all to cover up high crimes. Royal blue murder, certainly not mine. And they're precision engineered. Black box, serial killer, frame fix assassination. Sealed with 7 monster lies, 7 bogus diagnoses. Not even Harry Houdini could escape from. But no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer here. Black Wizard terrorist, dish shooter. Christian B, just been released from prison in Germany, involved in the Madeleine McCann case. It's been going on for over 20 years now. Roy White and the White Van Man, he was beaten and stabbed up in prison recently. Who abducted the young girl, Sarah Payne. Again, they will pay to make you disappear. Certainly set you up as a red car Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe Steve Wright, Wayne Cousins, Brady Huntley, Fred West, Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, to get you done in, or boxed up, locked up, throw away the key. And they certainly will bury you alive down the longest, deepest, darkest, blackest hole where all the monsters are, but no monster here. One big monster con, one big monster bluff, monster gaff, epic fail. So again, cruise on my frame fixed tail, all looking to bag a frame fixed black cat. Some people like their blood sport, others their blood money, human hunting. There's a horse over there galloping away. It's one of my favourite verses in the Old Testament. If you cannot run with men and all their schemes and conspiracies and conspiring to set you up, how will you run with the wild horses of Judea? And again, horses are fine around me. Very good film, The Ring, where there's a young demon-possessed girl with a very big demonic spirit. And the horses are really unnerved around her. Again, horses are fine around me. No host for the beast here. So again, a very good scripture. If you cannot run with men, how will you run with the wild horses of Judea? So as always, no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer, Black Wizard terrorist, issue, I really don't think so. And the young girl in the film The Ring, again, who is possessed with a very demonic demon spirit. They do put her down a well and put the lid on the well. So they certainly will bury you alive down the longest, deepest, darkest, blackest hole where all the monsters are, but no mad, deranged, insane, demon possessed. Jekyll and Hyde, number 21 or number 23. Serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. Again, plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes. Certainly not mine. Castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates.